Welcome back to Cape Breton Island. Today, we'll take you on a bird watching tour around the bird islands.
This video is part of our series sharing our experience living in Cape Breton Island for over a year. We've explored every corner of the island, admiring the landscapes and seeing all it has to offer. We'd highly recommend the Cabot Trail to anyone who enjoys road trips, hiking, incredible scenery, or those looking to spot some wild animals along the shore.
Going on a bird watching tour in Cape Breton is a great way to see Atlantic puffins up close, watch the bald eagles soar in the sky, view huge colonies of gray seals, and see countless seabirds such as cormorants, gannets, and guillemots.
The best time to go on a bird watching tour is June and July, though the season runs from May to August. Two options are Dunelda's Puffin boat tours in Englishtown and the Bird Island boat tour in Big Brador Lake. Both are highly rated.
We went with Bird Island boat tour located 40 minutes west of Sydney or 30 minutes northeast of Badek. If you're planning a road trip around the Cabot Trail, check out our previous videos to see how this can fit into your itinerary.
Leaving the dock, you'll soon see the beautiful landscape of Cape Breton. Always have your camera ready, as the tour guides will point out birds and other wildlife along the way. We first saw juvenile and adult bald eagles, and even a kingfisher. Closer to the bird islands, we saw a lot of northern gannets, a seabird that can dive into the water at speeds of up to 100 kilometers an hour.
As we were cruising along the bird islands, the tour guides were giving plenty of information on the landscape of Cape Breton and the different seabirds. Even now, as we're living in other Atlantic provinces, we still are able to identify the seabirds that we find.
The main highlight of the tour is the Atlantic puffin. Did you know that puffins are built for swimming rather than flying? Their wings are so short that they have to flap them up to 400 times a minute just to stay airborne.
We also saw a good number of cormorants during this tour. Did you know that cormorants' feathers are not waterproof? This actually helps them sink faster when catching fish. They may look like they're posing for a photo, but they're just spreading their wings to air dry. Gray seals are also everywhere. The adult males can reach up to 400 pounds and have a darker coat than the females. The gray seal pup is covered with white fluffy coat that sheds within 2 to 3 weeks.
Gray seals are naturally inquisitive, and you'll see them take an interest in the tour boats. During our time in Cape Breton, we often saw them sticking their heads out of the water from the shoreline. The tour takes 2.5 to 3 hours. It was a great experience with a ton of information and well worth the admission price. We'd definitely recommend this when visiting Cape Breton.
If you are looking to see some whales, check out our whale watching experience from Pleasant Bay. We hope you find this video helpful with your trip planning. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.